4 people died, including one woman who was shot dead by the police officer amid protests and rioting on Capitol Hill by supporters of Donald Trump, who swarmed inside the building amid a session of Congress to certify Joe Biden's election win, triggering unprecedented chaos and violence at the heart of American democracy and accusations the outgoing president was attempting a coup. Members of the President Donald Trump's cabinet on Wednesday discussed the possibility of removing Trump from office after his supporters swarmed the Capitol, as reported by 3 U.S. news channels. The discussions focused on the 25th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution, which allows for a president's removal by the vice president and the cabinet if he is judged unable to discharge the powers and duties of his office. U.S. lawmakers went to underground tunnels as pro-Trump mob stormed the Capitol. Lawmakers ran upstairs and down a staircase to an underground tunnel on the way to a secure building. Thousands of pro-Trump protesters were pushing into the east front of the Capitol grounds. The situation quickly turned grave, with security officials inside the House of Representatives chamber warning that lots of people had broken past a perimeter that had been set up. Amid tight security, thousands of farmers today started their tractor march from the protest sites near Delhi border points against the 3 agriculture laws. Farmers participated in the march with over 3,500 tractors and trolleys. According to the protesting farmer unions, this is just a rehearsal for their proposed January 26 tractor parade that will be moved into the national capital from different parts of Haryana, Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. Farmers started the tractor march around 11 a.m. and moved towards Kundli-Manesar-Palwal expressway amid heavy deployment of Delhi police and Haryana police personnel. Former cricketer and Board of Control for Cricket in India President Sourav Ganguly was discharged from a Kolkata hospital on Thursday, 5 days after he was admitted there when he complained of chest pain and dizziness on Saturday. He later underwent angioplasty, after which he was diagnosed with 3 blockades in the coronary artery. Ganguly will be on oral medications and monitored on a daily basis at home. Dozens of fans gathered outside the hospital and outside Ganguly's house after he was discharged.